In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use the select cases function and the split file function in SPSS to select strata or subsections of your data for analysis. So we have a hypothetical data set here of 20 participants and information as to what category of instrument they play. And we have two categories labeled zeros or ones. And we also have a Likert type ordinal variable of how much these participants like their teacher, with one being responses to an item that might say, for example, I like my teacher, with one being a response of strongly disagree to 5 being a response of strongly agree. If we toggle over here to value labels, you can see we have concert band performers, non-concert band performers, and then the various types of Likert type ratings options. So perhaps we're only interested in, for example, the concert band performers, the degree to which they like their teacher. And we want to do some analyses. What's the average degree of liking among just concert band performers? Well, then we want to select our cases or be able to divide our data set according to instrument category here. So we can do that through the data menu. We slide all the way down to select cases. And then we can create a condition. You notice there's lots of options, but the simplest way to create a condition, we could say if the simple coding of instrument is a 0, which is the concert band performers, select our cases. And so what you'll see SPS do after we click OK is it creates a filter variable that filters out, not selected, all the non-concert band performers, which is also indicated by the slashes through here. So now if we were to do something, let's say as in get descriptive statistics of how much the respondents like their music teacher, we will get information that is just for the concert band performers. So we have a mean of 3. I'm going to delete the output window here to clean things up. And now if we want to remove this filter, we could always toggle it to the next step and look at the non-concert band performers, of course. But if we want to remove the filter, we would just go to Data, select Cases once again, Reset, click OK. And when SPSS removes the filter, you see the slashes are gone. The filter variable is still there. So you can leave it there or you can delete it if you feel like it. So that's one option where you can look at one group at a time and filter your data set according to different categories. Another option, if you have multiple categories that you'd like to run parallel analyses on, for example, instead of maybe we don't want to select cases for concert band performers, run statistics, then select cases for non-concert band performers and run statistics again. Instead, maybe we want to do it all in one fell swoop. We can use the split file function in SPSS to do that. So you'll also find that under the data drop-down menu called split file. And we can tell SPSS to compare groups according to their instrument grouping. All right, so we're going to compare now. We're going to set SPSS up to, by default, run all of its analyses according to the groupings in this variable. So if we click OK, you see the output menu that shows what's been done. And there's no other real indication here in the data editor that's blatant. But if we now go to Analyze and ask for our descriptive statistics of how much the participants like their teacher, you see what it gives us now is the descriptive statistics according to these two categories in the instrument type. So that's a convenient way to do comparative types of analyses, which is much less time consuming than having to select cases multiple times according to multiple different kinds of filter variables. So if we want to remove that option, we would go to split file again, click reset, and click OK. It says split file is now off. And so now we're back to our default state where we're analyzing all the data. So that is selecting cases and using the split file function in SPSS. Thank you very much.